Yes, hello children. Today we are going to start with the leftover topic probability. Probability. Probability means chances or of happening of the event. Any event. Clear? Chances or happening of any event is termed as probability. Is termed as probability. Means whether this will happen or this will happen or this will not happen. By using the formula probability is given by the formula probability is equals to number of favorable cases over total number of outcomes or total number of cases. Probability always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of sure event that happens हमेशा होगा ही होगा, that is always 1. Sun rises in the east. Probability of not sure event जो नहीं होगा, जो होगा ही नहीं, that will always be 0. I have given you the case of dice. There are number from 1 to 6. Probability of number 8 will always be 0. Probability of number 8 will always be 0. So we have discussed number of favorable cases over total number of outcomes. Probability lies between 0 and 1. Sure event is 1 and not event जो possible ही नहीं है, not sure event or not possible event is always equals to 0. Now there are certain events whose outcomes have equal chances of occurring, but a random experiment is one whose outcome cannot be predicted exactly in advance. Here we will study about these experiments and we will define probability and simplify the questions. Now first of all I am giving you one example. Suppose I throw a coin. When one coin is tossed, then what are the possible outcomes? Yes, children. Either it will be a tail or it will be a head. That means there are total of two outcomes. So what will be the probability of head? Number of favorable cases. Head आने के chances only 1. Total outcomes 2. So probability of head is 2. In the same way, probability of tail is 1 upon 2. Means there are 50-50 chances of this event. Now, when there two coins are tossed, total outcomes. Either it will be head on both the coins, either both the coins will have tail, or first coin head, second coin tail, or second coin tail, first coin tail, second coin head. Are there any possible cases? No. So total outcomes is 4. So what is the probability of getting both heads? So probability of getting both heads is 1, only one case, 1 upon 4. In the same way, probability of getting both tails is 1 upon 4. At least one head, probability of at least one head. At least means कम से कम एक, दो भी हो सकते हैं. तो what are the chances? 1, 2 and 3. It will be 3 upon 4. So I hope the topic is clear. So we will define probability, total number of favorable cases over total number of cases. Clear, children? That is the definition of probability and a few questions. Yes, children, we are now doing try this, page 83. The question says, if you try to start a computer scooter, what are the possible outcomes? So what are the possible outcomes? It will be two. Either it will start or no. या तो start हो जाएगा या नहीं होगा. तो two possible outcomes. When a die is thrown, what are the six possible outcomes that I have told you? Either the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 or number 6. There are no other outcomes for the when we throw a dice. Yes. Now try this question number 3. When you spin a wheel, what are the possible outcomes? It is 5.9 figure. What are the possible outcomes? See, when we spin a wheel, either A will come or B will come or C will come. So total outcomes will be A, B or C. Now how to find the probability? That is a different case. Now question number 4. You have a big bag with 5 identical balls: white, red, blue, green, yellow. You pull out dry ball without looking at it. List the outcome you would have got. आपके पास क्या आएगा बेटा? सी, अगर 5 balls है तो 5 ही आएंगी ना. पहले या तो वाइट आ जाएगी या रेड और ब्लू और ग्रीन और येलो. इसके अलावा और कोई balls नहीं आएंगी. So possible outcomes are 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here possible outcomes 3. Here possible outcomes 5. So I hope this is clear to you. What are the possible outcomes? Now to find the probability, whichever is given, we can find it. Yes, children, now we are doing try this, page 86. Suppose you spin the wheel. Here in the wheel it is given red, green, red, green, red, green, green, green. Total is given. List the number of outcomes. So for getting, first of all, green, total outcomes counted: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total outcomes is 8. Out of which green, count number of green: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green outcomes are 5. What are the outcome of red? Red sector, count it: 1, 2, 3. 3 is. So total is 8. So what is the probability of getting a green sector? We know probability is number of favorable sector over total. Total is 8. A probability of green निकालनी है, that will be 5 upon 8. What is the probability of not getting green? Not getting green means we will get red only. So probability of red, that will be equals to red is 3 upon 8. So I hope this is clear now. Probability of getting green is 3.8, means not getting green. Yes, children, now we are starting with exercise 5.3, question number 1. You can have the book and read what it says. It says, list the outcomes you can see in the given experiment: spinning of wheel and tossing of 2 coins. Spinning of wheel, A, B, C, D, A. Total outcomes will be either it will be A, it will be B, it will be C or it will be D. Total outcomes when we spin a wheel, either it will be A or it will be B, it will be C and D. Now this second part says tossing 2 coins, that we have discussed already. When tossing 2 coins, either head, both tails, one head, one tail, one tail, one head. So total it will be 4 outcomes. Clear? Now question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of event getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5. In question number 2, it says list the outcomes. And in question number 6 says find the probability. Question number 6 says find the probability. So I am doing question number 2 and 6. So when a dice is thrown, total outcomes. Total outcomes when a dice is thrown. Yes, that we have also discussed. Either it will come 1, it will come 2, it will come 3, 4, 5 and 6. It says find the outcomes of getting a prime number. First part. A prime number. Now you know what are prime numbers. They have only one factor. Two factor 1 and the number itself. So prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. That means 1, 2, 3. So what will be the probability of prime numbers? Favorable cases over total cases, that is 1 upon 2. Second part, not a prime number. Find that number that are not prime. Leave 2, 3, 5. That will be equals to 1, 4 and 6. 1, 4 and 6. That means total 3 favorable cases. So probability not a prime number. Again 3 upon 6, that will be equals to 1 upon 2. Clear children? Now the third part, it says, sorry, second A, we can say that AB part, it's second A part. A number greater than 5. Number greater than 5. Now greater than 5 is only 6. 1. So probability of greater than 5 number, that will be equals to 1 upon 6. B part. A number not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. That means less than 5. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total of 5 cases. So probability less than 5, not greater than 5. That will be equals to 5 upon 6. So that is our total outcomes, and on the second head I have done the probability. So question number 2 and 6 together. Now see children, it says find question number 3, find the pointer stopping at point D in question number 1. Just see, at point D only one chance, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probability of pointer getting stopped at point D is 1 upon 5. Now probability of getting ace from well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Now total cards are 52 cards. Now there are total ace. How many ace? Total 4 aces. So what is the probability of getting ace? That is equals to 4 upon 52. Do the cutting, that is 1 upon 13. So its answer is 1 upon 13. Probability is 1 upon 13 getting an ace from well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Okay. Now in C part it says find the probability of getting red apple. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 apples, and red apples are 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the probability? Red apples 4, total apples 7. So probability of red apple, that is equals to 4 upon 7. If it says green apple, then it will be 3 upon 7. I hope this is clear. Yes children, now reading question number 4. It says number are written from 1 to 10 in 2 separate slips kept in a box mixed well. One slip is chosen from a box without looking into it. What is the probability of getting number 6, getting less than 6, getting a number greater than 6 and getting a digit number? Now we will solve it. See, there are total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total cases in all, that will be equals to 10. So what is the probability of getting a number 6? 6 can come only one time. So what is the probability? Number of favorable cases over total number of cases. That will be equals to 1 upon 10. Now number less than 6, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means total 5. So what is the probability of number less than 6? That will be equals to favorable case is 5. And probability is 5 upon 10. Not 6, 5 upon 10. 5 ones 5, 5 twos. Answer will be 1 upon 2. Now number greater than 6. Write the number greater than 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. That is equals to also 1, 2, 3, 4. Totals are 4. So what is the probability of getting number greater than 6? 4 upon 10. Do the cutting. 2 twos 4. 2 fives 10. Answer is 2 upon 5. Now in the last he says, what is the probability of getting a one digit number? Now first of all understand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 one digit number and 10 is 2 digit. So getting one digit number is first of all total 9 cases. So what is the probability of getting one digit number? 9 upon 10, that is equals to answer 9 upon 10. So that clear our question. So first answer is 1 upon 10. Second is 1 upon 2, third one 2 upon 5, and last one is 9 upon 10, getting a digit number. I hope this concept is clear. Now our question number 5 says, if you have spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector, 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting non-blue sector? Now understand, there are 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector. So total 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 5. Now he says, find the probability of getting green sector. So probability of getting green sector. Favorable case is 3. Total case is 5. 3 upon 5. That is our answer. Second, probability of non-blue sector. Leave blue color. Blue we have left. So left is 3 plus 1, 4. Favorable case is 4. Total case is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is 4 upon 5. I hope this is clear. So probability is number of favorable cases over total number of cases. And question number 6 we have collaborated with question number 2. So this whole exercise 5.3 is complete. Thank you.